English grammar. Modal verb would. When to use. Examples. Exercises. Modal verb would. When to use. Polite request. Offers. Invitations. To make a polite offers, request or invitations. Would you help me with this assignment? Would you pass the token please? Would you like a cup of tea? Would you mind closing the door? Modal verb would. When to use. Hypothetical situations. Imaginary conditions. To talk about unreal, imaginary or hypothetical situations, often with if. If I had enough money, I would buy a new car. She would go on a trip if she was free. If he worked harder, he would get a promotion. They would build a house if they had a land. Modal verb would. When to use. Past habits. Repeated past action. To describe things we regularly did in the past, like used to. He would play cricket after school. She would bake cakes every Sunday. They would spend hours at the park. He would play football after school. Modal verb would. When to use. Future in the past. To talk about something that was in the future from a point in the past. They believed the train would arrive on the time. She promised she would bring the evidence. We thought the event would start at 8 pm. He said he would finish the task by Friday. Modal verb would. When to use. Expressing preference, willingness, desire. To show what someone prefers or is willing to do. She would prefer a light meal. I would rather stay at a friend's home tonight. They would like to watch a film. He would love to visit the new tower. Modal verb would. Size. Comment on 5 sentences for the usage shown below. Polite request. Hypothetical situations. Repeated past actions. Future in the past. Expressing preference. Thank you.